Oh, it looks like we're going down. Oh. Well, that wasn't that bad. Oh. Shit.
Now, who invited you here?
Alright, well, that was kind of rude. Oh. Alright, we'll head down the mountain. Alright, now we're on the beach. So, so that's pretty cool. Construction. After a couple of tries, I think I finally figured out the building. Fingers crossed, yeah. It looks like I figured out the building. Hell yeah. Alright, well. I guess I should go find some food. And water. It looks like my character needs it. Alright, so I think I found some water. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I found a water. That's good. Alright, I was eating berries and I ran into this person. Um, they have multiple legs. It's kind of interesting, I guess. I don't know if I should follow them. Ooh, berries. I don't know if I should follow them or what. I think I'll just let them run off. Well, it's nighttime now, so I am gonna go explore a cave that I saw over here. Um, yeah, I think it'll go very well. Oh my fucking god. Okay, that didn't scare me. That wasn't a little terrifying. Not at all. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. These damn bats. Y'all think there's cannibals in this cave? Hope not. Ow. Oh, fuck! Oh, this is not good. Oh! Alright. What the fuck? Let me pop a perk real quick. I think I'm just gonna get out of here. Probably a good idea. A turtle! Oh my god. I love turtles. Alright, it's daytime. It's daytime. Guess I'll go find some food. Though sure is friendly. Okay. Kevin, or... I actually don't know. Oh shit! Oh my god. Do I have anything for this guy? Throw rocks at him. Put the boat. Oh fuck! Alright, so we gotta do some fighting. Bring it. Oh, he's got a spear. Ha! Duck your spear. Ow! This dude's fucking hurt. Okay, okay. Ah! Damn! I'm out of here. Ooh, a throne. Alright, let's bring it. Oh god. Oh shit. Get ducked. Let's go. Bring it. Oh! Well, okay. Alright, well. That went well. Um, we're gonna go explore. Berry break. Interesting. I'll just I'll just leave that be, I think. Yeah. Well, there's the moose. I'm assuming this is related to the other thing we saw. I'll just leave that be. Oh my god, it's a working golf cart, dude. Holy shit. This is huge. Which are we close to? Is it this one? Oh. Oh, this is a game changer. I have an idea. Berry break. Let's get driving. Let's see, we are going to... Actually, I'm not sure where we're going. I guess we're doing some more exploring. Let's see what's up here. Oh, something's beeping. Oh. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. It's a rock. Oh. Interesting. Ooh. Who are you? Alright. Ooh, a new axe. Alright. There's a bunch of cool stuff here. How do I get rid of this flashlight? It's starting to get annoying. Alright, we found this cool axe. Some pot. Mushroom, we'll eat that up. That guy was alive, but... And then he just straight up died. That was kind of wild. This guy there. What do we got? C4. That's actually pretty sick. This guy. It's not looking too good. Alright. To the next purple mark on my map. Ooh, a deer. That's a shame. Alright, back on the road. We'll go to this one over here next, I think. Alright, so far the swim has been pretty nice. And there's no sharks. I haven't run into any sharks, and I'm pretty happy about that. Alright. Flare. Oh my god. A gun. That's actually so sick. We got a strap. We got the strap on us. Oh my god. Alright. I guess we'll go back. If I was a cannibal, I would be severely worried for my life right now. That's right. I got a strap now. Yup. Yup. Oh, that guy was tied up. That's my bad. You tweaking a little bit though. Yeah. Yeah, that was something. Alright. Well, that was it. That was easy. I think that went really well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to take your creatine.